Endeavour Stephanie Wolf has this look at how it did.
The Monet ticket was a hot ticket. The sold-out show closed earlier this month, and Denver was the only U.S. site for it. Museum staff extended hours multiple times to satiate Monet-hungry audiences. And those bonus viewing hours really added up. The museum says it totaled out to about 5 extra weeks of exhibition time. The museum says those extended hours also meant that nearly 395,000 ticketed visitors got to gaze upon Monet's paintings. To give some context to how big of a number that is, the art newspaper put together a list of the 20 most popular museum exhibitions worldwide in 2018. It includes places like the Louvre in Paris and New York's Metropolitan Museum of Art. The attendance numbers for Monet in Denver put it on par with some shows on this list. And Monet drew some folks who had never set foot in the Denver Art Museum before, a desired outcome, says curator Angelica Dani.
Monet, an exhibition of this appeal, allows to engage visitors. They may not visit the museum on a regular basis, but then while they're visiting the Monet show, then linger on a little bit longer after.
About 16% of people who took an exit survey said they had never been to the museum before. Pricey blockbuster shows like Monet do tend to pull in big attendance numbers, but data doesn't really support the hope that these shows convert first-timers into regulars. Tim Schneider is the art business editor for ArtNet News.
As soon as the museum stopped doing blockbuster exhibitions, attendance basically snaps back almost immediately to exactly what it was before you did the first blockbuster.
He says it ends up creating high expectations for what's next. Like the Hollywood summer blockbuster, the next one has to be bigger than the last if you want to draw the same kind of crowds.
Which involves an even heavier investment, which is a real problem for most institutions because blockbusters are incredibly expensive.
But the Denver Art Museum says this time it paid off. The museum won't share how much money it made from ticket and gift shop sales. Yet a statement from the museum reports that sales exceeded the museum's revenue projections, a rare thing for one of their shows, they say. I'm Stephanie Wolf, CPR News.
And there's more Colorado news on the way as Morning Edition continues on CPR News.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from C3.ai. C3.ai's software enables organizations to use artificial intelligence at enterprise scale, solving previously unsolvable business problems. Learn more at C3.ai. And from Zoom. Zoom Phone for Business makes and receives calls, captures call recordings, and elevates from phone call to video if needed. Zoom has more information online at zoom.com. Zoom. Meet happy.